In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Filmora video without a watermark. Let's start right inside Filmora with your project open on the timeline. Before you even think about exporting, make sure your video is fully edited and you're happy with it. Check your clips, transitions, text, and audio one more time, because anything you see here is exactly what will appear in your final export. Once you're ready, look towards the top of the Filmora window for the Export button. This is usually easy to spot, and it's your main gateway to turning your project into a shareable video file. Click on Export, and Filmora will open up an export or output window where you can adjust the file settings. Here, take a moment to choose the format you want. Common choices include MP4, which is widely compatible and works well for YouTube, social media, and most devices. You can also change the resolution and frame rate here if needed. If you edited your video in 1080p at 30 frames per second, it's generally best to keep those same settings for a clean result. Now, the most important part of getting a video without a watermark is using a valid, activated version of Filmora. Make sure you are signed in with a licensed account or using a plan that supports watermark-free exporting. If you're on a free trial, Filmora usually adds a watermark by default, and there won't be an option to remove it at export. So, check your subscription or license status before continuing. If the export window does not show any warning about watermarks, that's a good sign you're able to export cleanly. Next, choose where you want to save your file. Click on the option to browse or select a folder and pick a location you'll remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated video folder. You can also rename the file to something clear and descriptive, so it's easy to find later. After everything looks correct, format, quality, and save location, go ahead and click the final Export or Save button. Filmora will now begin processing your video. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on your video length and your computer's speed. Try not to run heavy programs in the background while exporting, as that can slow things down. When the export is finished, navigate to the folder you chose and open the video. Preview it all the way through to confirm that it plays smoothly, looks good, and most importantly, has no watermark on the screen. If everything looks right, your Filmora video has been successfully exported without a watermark and is ready to be uploaded or shared wherever you like.